Hey, what's up you guys? So today I wanted to do a little bit of a different video, mainly because I just figured why not. So this is going to be a makeup tutorial, and I'm planning on doing like a very simple but kind of fun, different kind of look. We'll see how this goes. I haven't done this before, and I just wanted to put a heads up out there. This may be kind of a long video. Please feel free to skip past anything that you don't really care about seeing. It's mainly going to be a long video because of the fact that I don't know, whenever I started watching makeup videos, they just didn't really tell you everything. So I kind of had to figure out a lot of things by myself. So I kind of want to be more in depth whenever I make videos than your average person. So that's basically what we're going to do today. Okay, sorry, my hair is kind of a mess at the moment. All right, so let's just jump right in. I'm going to start with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD. This is in the shade R230, and so we're gonna shake it up, and then I'm going to take my wet Real Techniques beauty sponge. Then I'm just going to squirt this on my wrist. I'm kind of running out of it. I need some more. Alright, so I put about that much, so not too much, but not too little. Let me get my mirror over here ready. Oh, okay. I have a couple of zits right now. Normally, I would use my Naked Skin thing, but because it's not too bad, it's not too red, I'm just hoping that like this will cover it up. All right. So we're just gonna put a little bit over here and just bounce it around. I like my makeup to be very thin because I have super dry skin and my makeup gets very cakey very easily. Okay, definitely gonna need more foundation, didn't put enough. And to prep my skin, I didn't use a primer today. I've actually kind of been getting out of primer because I feel like it hasn't really made a big difference. And then, okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more. I don't have enough to go down my neck. And then to get my face ready, I used the Neutrogena liquid gel moisturizer. And then before I did that, I used their Hydro Boost serum. I meant to bring those out, but I forgot. So the next time that I do a video, I'll bring those out for you guys. Okay. Sorry, the lighting in here is kind of weird, so I'm struggling a little bit. Alrighty. It's super cloudy outside today, and we don't have any good lighting in our apartment. So I just do what I can and just try and work with it. Okay, so I am going to use a little bit of concealer. I'm going to use the NARS Creamy Concealer in, what shade is this? Light Creme Brulee. That's what it is. Just going to use a little bit of it on my chin. Cover up that pesky little pimple, and then put a little bit on my eyelids just to make my eyelids look less purple in life. Then I'm just gonna use my I almost want to call it a beauty blender, my Real Techniques sponge, to dab all that in. Okay. Then, I'll just go ahead and do my eyebrows first. So I'm going in with the Gimme Brow. Mine kind of looks rough right now. And this is in the 4 shade. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't think it's picking up, but it's in the shade 4. Okay. I need a better mirror situation over here. We're just gonna run this very lightly through your brows with just a very soft hand. And I like my eyebrows. I don't get them waxed or tweezed or anything like that. They're very natural, and I don't really like to put a lot of brow product on my brows, but sometimes you need your brows to be a little bit darker just to like have your look kind of come together. So that's kind of what I use this for. All right, and then occasionally I'll get like a little clump in there, so whenever I do, I'll let it dry completely, and then I go in with, where's the brush at? Oh, it's like this Mary Kay eyeliner eyebrow brush. I'll just use this part right here and just do that to it to kind of like work out the product once it dries though. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm not going to do anything else to my eyes. That's going to be it. So I'm just going to use my eyelash curler, and I just squeeze it for just a couple of seconds, and then go to the other eye. Do the same thing. Okay. I should have gotten the dead skin off my lips. Oh well. Oh, I almost went to my eyebrow. Oh goodness. My brain's a little scatterbrained because I've been doing work all morning. So you know, I kind of have like that dead brain right now. Okay, and then I'm gonna let that dry, work on other parts of my face, and then I'll go back in with the second coat. Oh, I meant to tell you guys what I was using. This is the Mary Kay Ultimate Mascara. This is my favorite mascara to use, and this is just in the shade black. I like it. I think it's the best. Okay, I think I'm going to use a little bit of the Butter Bronzer. And so what I like to do is for the most part, unless I just really want like a chiseled contour, this is a cheek brush, and I like to use this to do it all around. So that way it's like not quite as noticeable, you know? So that's what I like to do, and I just swirl it around, knock some of the product off, and then smooth my hair, start at the top, work my way down, just put it in like that little crease right there, and like it's not super noticeable, and it's not like a straight line or anything like that, but it's kind of like there's obviously a little something there. So that's how I like to do it most of the time. I feel like this makes it a little bit more natural. See, like you can kind of see it, but it's not like super noticeable. Down your jaw, and then you can do it to your nose. I normally just skip my nose because I don't know, I feel like it doesn't really do much of a difference for my nose personally, but you can do whatever you want. Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with the Milani blush in the shade Tea Rose. Sorry, I got distracted for a second. And then I'm just going to use this angular cheek brush and just dip it in there, knock a little bit of it off. I was always taught to smile like that, and that's where you put your brush, at the top of your cheekbone. So that's kind of what I always do. And that just kind of adds a little bit of color. Alright. Sorry, my nose always gets itchy whenever I'm on camera, and then like whenever I mess with like makeup brushes and stuff, that makes it worse because then I start to feel like the little bristles are in my nose and like they tickle my nose a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a second coat of mascara. think we're doing pretty good on time. We're like 10 minutes in. That's not bad at all. I'm doing much better than I thought I would do. I am eventually going to do a more in-depth video of like with eyes and everything like that. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what I'm about to use. So I got the Jeffree Star highlighter thing. I couldn't remember what it's called. I think it's the Extreme Frost. So I'm just gonna use that. I actually almost feel like I shouldn't have used blush. Oh well, we're just gonna make it work. Blush goes off really fast for me. Anyways, so we're gonna use this. On the directions it said best to use with a finger. So I have my clean fingers right here. So I'm just going to take a little bit from right here. I really like this product. It is very, very, very noticeable. I was a little skeptical about it at first whenever I did my impressions video, and I'll link that down in the description below for you guys. But I do really like how pigmented it is, and like it shows up very, very well. Okay, so you're just gonna do it at the top of your cheekbones, and then I like to work mine up a little bit. I'm definitely more of a fan of doing this with brushes and not fingers, but it says that it works best if you use it with a finger, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, I think that's good on that side. Oh yeah, like in this lighting, you guys can see it so much better than in my impressions video whenever I had to do it in my bathroom and it was all dark in there. A little bit difficult to see, but yeah, you can definitely see it much more. Okay, so now I'm just gonna kind of like dab it a little bit. Ooh, okay. I like it. I think it's a very much a statement thing. Like I said in my impressions video, not something to wear to work. I ended up wearing it to work that day and I felt like I was judged the entire day. It's not super workplace appropriate, but that's okay. I just rocked it anyways. And you know, you can add this to like the bridge of your nose, kind of wherever you want, but we're going to do something a little bit different. If I can find my lipstick that I was going, here it is. Okay, so now this is kind of where it gets a little bit more interesting, and I haven't done this yet, so we'll see how this goes. I'm going in with the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick and the Jeffree with the F, and we're just gonna put this on. This is like one of my favorite colors. I'm not a huge fan of the smell. It doesn't appeal to me, but it's still, this like lipstick color is worth it to me to deal with the smell. Ah. Ah. Oh my god. Ew. This is what happens whenever I try and do this and talk. So one of the things that I've noticed is my lips are very like thin and very close to my face, and so I have a hard time like putting lipstick on my lips and it like going around my lips perfectly without it smudging, looking weird or whatever. So what I was trying to say whenever I got lipstick all over my teeth is that what I like to do is put a little bit on and then just kind of do, I can't really do it right now because my lips are dry, but you know, like rub them together, and then that kind of gets it to the edge of your lips and makes it look nice and like laid on nicely, right? So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. And I was trying to explain that, but it was a little bit too liquidy still. Excuse my very dry lips. But like, see how that happened? If I wouldn't have talked and messed up, that wouldn't have happened, and it would have been like seamless. But because I'm me, I messed that part up. messed up a little bit, but we're just gonna pretend like it's okay. No one has to know. All right, so you can stop here if you would like, but what I'm gonna do to make this kind of more out there is I'm going to, and I saw this in one of Jeffree Star's video, which made me think about the idea and how pretty this might look. I'm gonna add this to the lipstick. So again, I'm just gonna go with my finger like that. And just dab it on there. I kind of like it. I think it makes it fun. It's definitely hard to not get it all over your lips, like around your lips. I will give you that, or tell you that. So anyway, here is an up close and personal in my face. Yeah, if you can do this better than me, then it's probably gonna turn out really, really well. But this is your simple look to do that's not gonna take super long, but with a little bit of a fun flair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want more videos like this, and we will see you guys in the next video.